In this video, I am going to explain how the sign-in process in our eShop web application project works. So if I click already have an account sign-in button, I will be directed to the sign-in part of the web application. And if I click sign in, it says please enter your email address. So I will use the email address and I will use the password that I used in the previous video, and I will fix, and then I was directed to our home page of the web application. So now let's see how this works in a programming part. So if I move to the index part in the index, if I move to the sign in part in the index page, I can see that we have used some PHP to set cookies, and I will explain this in a later video. And here we can see that we have used IDs to catch the email and password. And we also have remember me option, and I will explain that also in a later video. And we have the sign in function within our sign up box, sign in box. So if I move to JavaScript and see, we can see that in our sign in function we get the elements from the index page using the IDs and assign to these variables. And we have used widgets, and we are appending those data using some variables for a new form data. And in this part we check the already stage change, and here there's part where if the response text is success, the window should be reloaded to the home page. That's why I was directed to this page after signing. And we have sent the data to the sign up process PHP using the post method, and because we use Ajax, we have written here true. And if you see how the signing process works in our server side, first we have to start the session, and we have required the database, and we have assigned all the data that we got from the post method into any variables. And here we check if the email is empty, then we will say please enter your email address. And if the email's length is more than 100, then we will say incorrect email address. And if the password is empty, we will say please enter your password, etc. There are several conditions that we check. And if all these are okay, we will use database search, and we will take the existing users and check the existing users and password from our database and see if the data matches the data in a database. And this is something that I will explain in another video about cookies and sessions. And if that is not in a database, we will say invalid email address or password. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.